Welcome back to my channel, people. And I am gonna share today how did I increase the revenue of one travel website by approximately 7%. So this website is already earning in millions, right? And the overall increment which has happened, so they did not share the complete data, but how much I was able to improve in terms of the performance. So how do I increase the sales by 7% is a very it's a method which includes multiple things. So I tell you the challenge, right? So this travel website, which was having different people who were coming to their website and booking the tickets for different destinations and buying the packages. So this travel website aimed to maximize the revenue by optimizing the cross-selling and upselling opportunities. Now, to the people who do not know what is cross-selling and upselling, so cross-selling is when you're buying a particular product, right? And instead of buying that low-value product, we try to sell a high-value product to the people, right? So for example, say if I go to a Chroma or any digital product, right? If I want to buy a digital product and I go to an electronics store, so what will happen? There are a couple of things which will happen to that place. Suppose you wanted to buy a TV, okay, and you have made up your mind that you will buy a Samsung TV, and the people who are there in the electronics store, they will ask you a couple of questions like, what is your budget, what kind of TV you're looking for, whether you're looking for HD TV or 4K TV or QLED or OLED, different kind of TV. So they will try to say that, okay, sir, this TV is very costly, right? And you are already spending 90,000 rupees. Why don't you buy a stabilizer for this television, right? So that electrical shock can be prevented, right? If the voltage fluctuations are there, that your TV will not be getting affected because of that. So this way, they are doing cross-selling, right? Which means that they are trying to make sure that you are not only buying the 90,000 rupees TV, but also buying a 4,000 rupees product, which is already been present in that store. What is upselling over here is that when you're trying to buy a 80,000 rupees product, they will try to tell you that, okay, please buy, instead of, rather than like buying 80,000 rupees product, please spend 5-10,000 rupees more and get a TV which is amazing in terms of quality, right? So you end up spending more, right? The idea is to make customers spending more and give them some kind of value addition, right? So it's a win-win situation for both the things, for the business and for the customers as well. So this travel website, which is trying to maximizing the revenue by cross-selling and upselling, they wanted to identify the relevant travel product and services to recommend the customer based on their preferences and their purchasing pattern, or like the travel plans purchasing pattern, basically. The solution was very detailed, and I'm going to talk about everything. So first of all, we talked about like what kind of data we have. So we started collecting customer data. We picked up the travel bookings. We picked up which destination people go to in a particular month. So based on the month and the temperature, right? People prefer to go to different destinations, right? What are their preferences? What did they search actually, and what did they book? Which demographic they are coming from? And we also generated about how customer has interacted, through whether they are coming through website, or they are coming from app, or they're coming from referrals, or they're using what kind of mobile phones or operating system they're using. And there are not only this, right? There was a huge data about where customer click, which page they are spending more and more time. So suppose like there is a customer who is spending more time on Switzerland package, right? So this customer is more likely to go to Switzerland. And if we find out those customer, if this customer is potential customer, can we sell them the travel package, right? So we also calculated how much time he spent on a particular page, right? So for for Switzerland package or for Malaysia package or different kind of packages. And we have also talked about the specific pages where nobody is spending time, right? So there are certain pages where no customer is actually reaching and spending time over there. So we identified those pages as well. And then we've also talked about customer reviews, right? So what people are talking about a particular travel plan and what is their behavior and all those kinds of stuff. Now, once you've identified all of these things, we started picking up customer on the basis of these parameters. We started segmenting them, right? So the travel website, they actually asked us to segment the data and create different groups, right? So people who are interested in one location, people who are interested in 2 locations, 3 locations, travel preferences, have they done some kind of booking earlier with us, right? What was the review, where they're coming from. And this segmentation allowed us to target the cross-selling and upselling. So this was the most crucial part, because if you identify which all customers you wanted to target on, this will be the most crucial part. So we did all the data analytics. It took around a month, right, to get all the data and all the groups, desired group. And once we have segmented all the groups, we started applying recommendation engine. So recommendation engine is nothing but a machine learning technique which find out that which all customers are interested in related products. Like, so suppose if you go to Amazon and you buy a phone over there, suppose say iPhone, you bought iPhone 12 or 13, right, whatever the version is. Now, you will eventually buy the cover of that mobile phone as well. So if Amazon start recommending you that, okay, please buy this cover, there are highly likely chances that people who are buying the mobile phone, they will buy the cover also. This aligns a fast moving product with a slow moving product, right? So if the iPhone is a fast moving product, right? So if you have suppose if you have 20,000 phones, you'll be able to sell it. If you have 1 lakh phone, you'll be able to sell it, right? And you don't have much options. Like, for example, think about it. If I wanted to buy an iPhone, I have maybe 25 purchase options. But if you think about mobile phone cover, it's a slow moving product, right? There are 2,000 phone covers which are available, which I can buy. And eventually I will buy it from the market. So why not buying it from Amazon, right? So with mobile phone, I'll start getting the cover also. So there are highly likely chances that people will buy that cover also. And this is exactly we wanted to know, right? Which all customers I can cross-sell and upsell, right? So once you got the segmentation done, you started applying recommendation engine. So data analytics and machine learning has been applied, and we identify which all people are they will surely travel. Based on the probabilities, we have find out that which all people will travel frequently, which all people are they will buy a high value ticket as well. So after that, we built the recommendation engine, and it was able to suggest the relevant travel products and services which I can offer to my to customers based on the profile and historical behavior. So what did I do with cross-selling strategies? For cross-selling, the travel website focused on recommending the complementary travel products. For example, if you buy a service for 6 days and 5 nights and 6 days to Switzerland, we'll give you one complimentary day over there, right? Which is an amazing thing, right? You then get to spend one more day in Switzerland. So they started giving those kind of products, and they started giving those kind of services. So for example, if the customer is booking flight to a particular destination, he might be offered some kind of hotel, right? So rather than 2-star hotel, we have upgraded to 3-star, 3-star to 4-star, and so on and so forth, right? We make it more and more affordable. We have also offered them car rental so that there is no hassle, right? There is no hassle to find the cabs. And we also given similar kind of tour packages also. So if you opt for those, right, you will be given some additional discount as well. For upselling strategies, we identified the customer who are likely to be interested in upgrading their travel experience. So rather than picking up I mean, say 5 days, 5 nights and 6 days package. I wanted to and you're spending say 75,000 rupees. I wanted to upsell that product, and I'll say that I'll give you premium airline seats, I'll give you travel insurance, I'll give you airport lounge access, and then I'll make it very, very exclusive for you. And all you need to do is to spend say 7,000 rupees more. Instead of 75,000, you'll be paying 82,000 rupees. But you will get all the insurance, airport lounge access, and every possible luxurious things over there, right? So this is the upselling strategies which we have followed. So that, like, the customer is saying that, okay, we'll go to 2 locations in Switzerland, right? We'll say that we will make you go to 3 locations, right? If you upgraded by 7,000 to 10,000. And then we started applying the personalized market campaign. So this campaign was designed by their development team, where once we have segmented the customers, where a particular customer will get to see their own relevant package, right? So it will be like, say it's a high value customer, he'll be able to see a different package than a low value customer, right? So based on this, right, we have personalized their marketing campaigns, and we also utilized customer communication channel. So we started selling email newsletter, we started giving targeting ads and personalized website recommendation to deliver the relevant offers to and promotions to the right customer. And over a period of time, approximately 6 months of duration, we monitored the performance of cross-selling and upselling initiatives, and we have picked up some metrics also, what is the conversion rate, right? How much is the revenue generated from upsell and cross-sell? How much, whether people are liking that upsell or not. And based on that, we have rewired, right? So whatever the best possible performance or optimize the performance of the whole monitoring system, and kept on monitoring that again and again. This allowed us to redefine the strategy and continuously improve the results. So what has happened over a period of time is that implementation of cross-selling and upselling techniques yielded a very, very positive outcome for the travel website. And they were able to, so if you talk about the customer based on the high value customers and low value customer, they would be able to increase 25% more revenue from the same bookings, and overall it was a 7% impact in their business. And what was the most cherry on the cake part? The customer satisfaction. Customer started getting this impression that this particular website is taking care of every possible thing. So by recommending relevant travel product and services, travel website were able to enhance the customer experience, and they also retained more and more customers, right? And then impression, right, that the customer trust on that brand has retained a lot. And we have also improved the booking value, right? So customers who were aware of cross-selling and upselling demonstrate their high booking value rates, and they're contributing to increased revenue per transaction. Overall, it was a very, very good technique, and it helped the organization a lot. Right, so I hope you understood, right, what I have done in this organization, right? So if you have any questions, or if you have any queries, right, how you can implement the data science in your organization, I'm starting my personalized channel where I am giving the mentorship. I'll keep the link below where you can join that link and learn, ask you questions live, right? I'll be answering your questions live, and I can answer your queries, and also I can give you more and more information about the data science. So please join the mentorship session in case you have any questions. And even if you're a manager or CXO levels, I'll be talking to this session is open only for managers at the higher level, right? Not for everybody who's learning data science, right? So thank you so much for joining or watching this video completely throughout, and I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.